what to expect with a short-term rental. Just know that there will be vacancies. Your property will likely not be booked 100% of the time. We like to have at least 20 days booked per month. That's our target. And you should be seeing 2 to 3 times the income you would receive for a long-term rental. So it's like I said before, it's very easy to manage when you have systems in place, and I'll get into some of those systems shortly. Know that there will be maintenance issues, unexpected repairs. Just like with your long-term rentals, stuff always comes up. And with vacation rentals, yeah, of course, it's always on a Friday night. There will be, I'll just tell you how to mitigate that later as well. And then finally, you have to switch your mindset from housing to hospitality. So be hospitable. Short-term rentals are all about the experience from the time the guests arrive until they walk out the door. Yes, there will be issues. I mean, for our first Airbnb, the washer wasn't hooked up correctly, and a massive waterfall just flooded into the living room, ruined the guests some of their possessions. But we had a cleaning crew and our handyman come within 30 minutes to clean it all up. I apologized profusely, gave them a discount, and guess what? We still got a 5-star review. So it's really all about customer service.